Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up a Motorola Edge 50 Ultra for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, inside scroll down and look for accessibility. Enter it, here we can find display size and the text. In this case, I'm gonna make everything as big as possible, including font size and display size. Font size will change the size of the text, and the display size will basically change size for everything, including icons, text, and all of the buttons. Then we can scroll down to the bold text, activate it. This will increase the thickness of the font. High contrast text will add black or white outline to the text depending on your theme. In this case, it's mostly visible in the home screen. Then next is the motion, color and motion. Here I recommend to enable remove animations. This reduces motion sickness when using your phone. Next is the magnification. When activated, you'll be able to get magnification icon. It's this red loop right here. We can click on it and then click anywhere else on the screen to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on the same icon again. And that is all of the functions I recommend to change. You can experiment here in accessibility to increase it even more. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.